our horse on the roof. Today trying to do some good old-fashioned rail fanning. I guess we'll start with CSX. Alright, pull off here, good spot. Got it all to myself too. I couldn't get the locomotives on that because when I went to turn my camera on, the train came. My camera said, must reinsert chip. So I go through the trouble of reinserting the chip as the locomotives were passing. So then to get the locomotives. Oh, and the rail fanning gone wrong. And now for something completely different. Here in Aberdeen. A MARC commuter train about to make a station stop. These brakes sounded better than they usually do. How you doing? Thought he was waving at me, but he wasn't. Guess I'm not worth it. After the last location where I couldn't get the locomotives, I need something to make up for that. That conductor there, he waved at me. He's a nice guy. Their final stop will be in Perryville, one of my hangouts. But right now I'm going to hang out from my kid days here in Aberdeen, Maryland. Had a lot of relatives up here. My uncle owned a diner on US 40, and I'd always put money in the jukebox and play the Beatles 45s. 60s, obviously. Refurbished station over there. But at one time, There were stations on both sides of the tracks up until the mid-80s. There's one over here too, long raised. But I have photos of it. A southbound Northeast Regional I almost missed. At CSX, you can take your good old time and be laid back there. Here, you gotta watch your back. That's the diner I spoke of, where I played Beatle 45s on the jukebox. Picked up some clouds out there. Makes for some interesting lighting, though. But I'll see if I can stop one more place for a finale. Maybe this spot. Only problem here is you have the elevator music playing over the speakers. Maybe get lucky, get one more commuter train. We have some sun coming down now from the west, being it's almost sunset. You can tell by those long shadows. But directly above, we have dark clouds, and I feel an occasional raindrop every now and then, despite the sun. So we have sun and rain at the same time. Something approaching from the north. This should be a commuter train bound for Washington. Yep, it's going slow, it's just making a station stop. On the way south, they go in reverse. They are push-pull. As I guess is obvious by now. Fun doing this. A wave to the woman, but not to me. Guess I'm not sexy enough. See you in DC. Say hi to Donald. Or don't. There she goes, into the sunset. Kinda, sorta. So I guess I better do the same. Hopefully you enjoyed my mini train assortment just now. But stick around. Things will get better as soon as I'm settled completely. Thanks for stopping by again.